Hello everybody, my name is Matt Stone, and today I'd like to talk to you about Root and Muddle Solid Grooming Tonic. According to the bottle, it is an organic oil-based hair tonic. Now, Root and Muddle is an apothecary company based out of New York, and just like every other apothecary and boutique product store, they're all New Yorkers. Instructions for use. The Solid Grooming Tonic is a multi-purpose, all-natural tonic that softens, conditions, defrizzes, and revitalizes hair. Scoop desired amount and apply in layers. Alright, so let's head on downstairs and see how this works.
Okay, so right now my hair is towel dry, and I'm just combing out the excess water and some knots that are in it. Inside the packaging, there are 4 ounces of product, which is a rather generous amount compared to other companies. The product looks very waxy, and it did not disappoint when I started tapping on it. It was one of the most dense hair products I've ever felt. First impression digging into it was that the product felt very gross in my hands. It almost felt like grits mixed with wax, like very, very stale, hard, old grits. So here I am just working it through evenly in my hair. In my experience, many products work much better once heated, so I wanted to get out all the excess water and heat up the product a little bit. I expected the product to be very, very hard to break down, but actually after the first couple rubs, it broke down very, very easily, easier than most other products. As per the instructions, I had to work it through my hair in layers, so I started with the front and then I worked my way through the back and the sides. The ingredients in the hair product are cocoa butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter, apricot oil, soy wax, beeswax, vitamins E, A, C, and more essential oils. By this point, I was really liking the way the product was making my hair feel. It felt very healthy, and I wanted to freeze it up in place, so I blow dried it on the cool setting. Now it's time to start shaping up the pompadour, so I went through my usual pompadour hair routine. Despite being a wax, the product was very easy to work through. The brush would slide right through it. A little history on hair tonics. Hair tonics were a very popular product in the 1950s. Almost everybody was using them, even Elvis, he was using Vaseline's hair tonic. Tonics faded in popularity in the 1960s when messy hair became the norm, but have risen back to popularity in the 1990s when the hipster movement took over America. The purpose of hair tonics is very similar to that of a leave-in conditioner. The idea is to soften the hair and make it more healthy. The product is oil-based, so it did leave quite a shine on my hands.
Alright, final thoughts on the Root and Muddle Solid Grooming Tonic. At first, I had my doubts because of the gross consistency of the beeswax in the product. This is one of the waxiest products I've ever used. But once I put it in my hair, it just feels so silky and it feels so manageable. I feel like I can go through the day and have a very windblown hair, come back hours later and reshape it without putting any products in because it's so manageable. It has a very light medium hold, but it has a great shine on it and my hair just feels healthy. I would definitely recommend this because it's only $18. That's comparable to what you would pay for American Crew, and this just works great. Thanks for watching. My name is Matt Stone. Stay tuned.